Saúl Canelo Álvarez had entered the Las Vegas ring for his much-anticipated once-in-a-lifetime fight against Terence Crawford, wearing a regal black and gold custom Amiri ensemble. The 35-year-old Mexican star, a longtime fan and global brand ambassador of Mike Amiri, had showcased a velvet hooded robe and matching shorts adorned with his personal insignia, Amiri branding, and gold fringe details, while the red, white, and green of the Mexican flag paid tribute to his heritage. Complementing his look, Álvarez had worn custom boxing boots crafted from nubuck, leather, and mesh, blending performance with luxury through the brand's signature M-shaped tread. The designs highlighted both technical innovation and style, reinforcing Álvarez's reputation as boxing's biggest draw. Sketches by Mike Amiri and detailed shots of the outfit had revealed how fashion and sport were fused during the concluded Riyadh Season Card main event.